Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, today we are going to discuss the 8th lesson, that is Bambino's birthday. Okay, so Bambino is the name of a deer and how they celebrated the birthday of Bambino. Let's see in this lesson. Okay, so before that, here some questions are there. Find the names of animals hiding in each set of letters. The pictures are your clues. So see the picture and here the words you have to write in correct order. So W-C-O, you have to make the correct words. C-O-W, cow. So here E-R-D-E. So D-E-E-R, deer. So here you have to write the correct spelling by seeing this, using these letters. You have to write the correct spelling of the animals. Okay. Now coming to the new words, you have to write this in your classwork. So read the words and their meanings. Learn how you can use these words in sentences of your own. Okay. So you have to learn the meanings and you have to use that in your own sentence. And here some examples are also given. Okay. So together, what is the meaning? Be with another person. So the sentence by using together is the two friends go home together. You can write your own sentence too. The next word is planned. Thought carefully to do something. Okay, that means planned means what? Thought carefully to do something. Nisha and Riyad planned a project. Happening. Something going on now. So that means presently whatever is going on, that is called as happening. What is happening now? The teacher is teaching now. So here happening. This is a question used of happening. So here happening is used to make a question. Feeling better. Not sick anymore. Ganesh, are you feeling better today? Yes ma'am, I am feeling alright. So here you can use another sentences also instead of this. So learn the meanings. I'll send you the pic. You have to copy this in your classwork. So what is the story is here what happened? Meena had a cold. So here you can see this is Meena and her mother. So Meena had a cold. Her mother did not want her to go out. The other children were playing. You can see here. So the other children were playing out. But she said to her mother, Mother, please let me watch television or TV. Okay, TV. Television means TV. That is the short form of television. So here when Meena said that she wants to go out and play, her mother said, No, you are not allowed to go. Then Meena asked the permission to watch TV. Her mother switched it on. Meena started watching a funny cartoon. Someone was telling a story. So here you can see Meena is watching a story here. So what is the story? In a jungle there lived many animals. They lived like a family. Okay. They lived like a family. That means no animal ate the other animals. That means all the animals were living like a family and no one was hurting the other animal. Or no other animal was eating other animals. Okay. So there were lions, tigers, elephants, zebras, deer, foxes, monkeys and many more in the jungle. Okay. Lions and tigers played together. Have you ever seen? Okay. Zebras and horses are together. Elephants and monkeys drank water together from the pond. All the animals loved Bambino the deer. So here you can say this is the deer. This is the deer. Okay. But why all the animals loved Bambino? Because she was small and pretty. She was naughty too. Okay. She had pulled the lion's tail. The lion would roar but never ate her. So see here, the lion never ate the deer. Okay. Why? Because all the animals in the jungle were living like a family. So what happened? It was Bambino's birthday on Friday. Okay. When the birthday was on Friday. The animals planned a party. Planned means what? Thought carefully to do something, right? Or to plan a party. So here all the animals planned a party for Bambino. Who is Bambino? Bambino is the deer and she was small and pretty and she was also naughty. Now, I want to give her a juicy fruit, said the zebra. I can pick it from a tree. So, zebra decided to give a juicy fruit to Bambino on her birthday. I want to give her sugar cane. I can break one, said the elephant. Okay. So, the elephant thought to give a sugar cane. On Friday, the animals baked a cake. They put the presents near the cake. When Bambino woke up, they greeted her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Bambino. So here you can see the party. So this is the cake baked by all the animals in the jungle. And these are the presents. So this sugar cane is given by, yes, the elephant, and these all fruits. So here you can see all the animals, horses, elephant, giraffe, monkeys, fox, snake, all came to the birthday party planned by the animals for Bambino, the deer, the smallest deer. And she was small and pretty. She was naughty also, right? Now, Meena was clapping her hands. Meena's mother came to see her. What is happening, Meena? She asked. Mother, it is so funny. The animals are wishing Bambino a happy birthday. Meena's mother laughed. She was happy to see that Meena was feeling better. So, after watching the cartoon in the TV, Meena felt better. And her mother was happy to see Meena when she was laughing and she was feeling better. Right? So, this is the story about Bambino's birthday. Now children, coming to the vocabulary of this lesson, you can see, read the descriptions and number the pictures. So here you can see a baby cat is a kitten. So already you know about the baby animals, right? A baby cat is a kitten. So you have to put one where cat and kitten are there. So this is one, picture one. So here one. A baby lion is a cub. Okay, a baby lion is called as a cub. So you have to mark this 2. Where is the cub lion? Yes, here it is. So you have to mark 2. A baby sheep is a lamb. So where is the sheep and lamb? Yes, 3. A baby hen is a chick. So where is the hen and chick? Yes, this is 4. A baby cow is a calf. Where is cow and calf? 5. A baby deer is a fawn. Okay, F-A-W-N, fawn. So here you have to number this 6. So you have to learn the baby animals. Now coming to the B bit, so here you can see happy. This is unhappy. So these are called as opposite words. That means the meanings of these two words are completely different from one another. For example, hot, cold, day, night, happy, unhappy. So here you have to match the opposite words. Okay, so this is page number 85. Bright. What is the opposite? Dull. Okay. Long, short. Kind. Kind-hearted we say it, right? Cruel. High. Low. Thick. Thick. Thin. Dry. Wet. So you have to write the numbers. 1 dull. 2 is short. 3 cruel. 4 is what? Low. 5 is thin. 6 is wet. You have to number this. Okay. Now coming to the grammar part. Now already we have discussed about the adjectives, right? So what do you mean by adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words for noun. For example, here you can see Bambino was small. Small describes Bambino. So how the deer was? How Bambino was? Bambino was small. She was pretty. She was naughty, right? So pretty, naughty, small, these all words will define. Here the words are defining Bambino. So these are called as describing words. These words are describing Bambino, the deer in the story. So here you have to match the columns. One has been done for you. So what you have to do is big means which animal? Yes, big means elephant. So you have to put 1 in elephant. It's done, already done, right? Tiny. Tiny means very small. Which one is small? Giraffe, lion, ant, and here mouse. These all are given. Which one is the correct one? Yes, tiny ant, right? Ant is tiny among all. So tiny is the describing word for ant. Tall, which animal is tall? Yes, giraffe, right? So you have to put 3 here. Angry, 4. Which animal is angry? Lion. So here you have to use 4. Naughty. Naughty, which one is? So naughty mouse. Okay, deer is not given, so you have to put mouse, naughty. Sly, that is fox. So you have to write the numbers. Now moving to the B bit. Underline the describing words in these sentences. Look at that bright star. Okay, star is the noun. So what type of star? Bright star. We are afraid in the dark night. Okay, so the word that is describing night is dark. There is a white snow. So we have discussed that the color also describes about the noun. So the colors are also coming under your describing words. So there is white snow. White is the describing word. Little sparrow sat on the branch of a green tree. So little sparrow. So little is the describing word. Green tree. So green is also a describing word. This is a wide, great, wonderful world. So these all are wide, great, wonderful are your describing words. You have to complete that, to underline that. Now moving to next one. Look at the pictures. So look at the pictures. Choose a describing word and write a sentence for each picture. So for example, the cat looks sad. So here in the second one you can write the girl looks happy. The joker looks joy, or you can write any sentence of your own. Okay, the rose is red, like that you have to write. And you have to use describing words for the pictures given here. Now moving to the punctuation. Already I have told you that punctuate this group of words. So this type of sentences are called as exclamatory sentences. And it ends with this exclamatory mark. Right? So standing line, a dot below that. That is called as exclamation mark. Okay? You know about full stop. You know about question mark. Similarly, we have exclamation mark. So for which type of sentences we use this exclamation mark? Yes, that is, what a beautiful girl, right? So this type of strong feelings end with exclamation mark. Wow, it's such a lovely weather. What a rude girl, right? So this is not a question. This is not a sentence. So you have to end with the exclamatory mark. And you have to remember that the sentence, that may be a question, that may be a normal sentence, or that may be an exclamatory sentence. The starting, whatever the starting letter should be capital. So W you have to write capital, you have to end with the exclamation mark. So in punctuation, till now you have learnt about full stop. You have to begin with a capital letter and you have to end with a question mark if that is a question. And if that is an exclamatory sentence, then you have to end with a exclamation mark. So complete this. Now moving to spellings. So you have to complete the spellings. So fill in the blanks with the correct letters. The pictures are your clues. So by seeing the picture, you have to complete. The first one is fly, F-L-Y. Second one, fish, F-I is given, S-H. So complete this. This is also very important, children. So complete this.